How to fix error code 12007 in QuickBooks Desktop. For quick methods. Method 1. Add QuickBooks as an exception in Firewall. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu. Step 2. Search Firewall and open it. Step 3. Select Inbound Rules and then New Rule. Step 4. Next, choose the port option and click on Next. Step 5. Now, select TCP then specific local ports. Step 6. In the field, use the correct port for the QuickBooks version installed in your system and click Next. Step 7. Next, select Allow the connection option and click on Finish. Step 8. Repeat the process for outbound rules. Method 2. Clear SSL state. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and search Internet Options. Step 2. Open Internet Options and go to the Content tab. Step 3. Click on Clear SSL state under Certificate. Step 4. Next, go to Security tab and select Trusted Sites option. Step 5. Click on Sites, then add QuickBooks in the Add this website to the zone field. Step 6. Save the changes then reboot the system. Method 3. Reset QuickBooks Update Settings. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Help tab. Step 2. From the list, select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, select Update Now. Step 4. Then select Reset Update checkbox then click on Get Updates. Step 5. Next, check if the updates were installed without the error. Method 4. Check the Internet settings. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and search Internet Options. Step 2. Open Internet Options and go to the Advanced tab. Step 3. Scroll down and ensure that SSL 2.0 and SSL 3.0 options are selected. Step 4. Now, click on Apply and OK button to save the changes. Step 5. Close all the windows, then restart the computer and see if the error is resolved. Step 6. If this doesn't resolve the error, navigate to Internet Options again. Step 7. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Reset. Step 8. Then click on Apply and OK and close the windows. Step 9. Now, restart the system. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.